Hello, my name is Manpreet Agarwal and I appeared for Combined Defense Services examination in the years of 2019 till present. I have appeared for Combined Defense Services about 4 times by now, and out of those 4 times I have beat Combined Defense Services examination twice. I started preparing for Combined Defense Services examination since the 2019 first one, and unfortunately I was not able to clear that. So that's why I needed someone or something through which I can specifically prepare for Combined Defense Services examination. Indian Army has been my lifelong dream. Ever since I was a kid, I dreamed of donning the officer's uniform. And I prepared for my entire academic years for this specific goal, to be a part of the prestigious Indian Army. After I was done with my graduation and I passed that with relatively moderate level scores and not that much good with my studies. So that's why I needed to prepare for CDS full time. And I started that. I started preparing for Combined Defense Services examination full time on my own at my home through the various books that I bought. But I soon realized that level of preparation was not enough for me when I was not able to clear the written test in the 2019 first Combined Defense Services exam. So that's when I went out and I started looking for other resources through which I can prepare for CDS better. And that is when I bought more books and invested more in coaching, etc. in order to better prepare. But I soon realized that they were worthless, because whatever they taught me was already available to me in the form of books, etc. And that is why the books were not able to suffice my needs and the coachings were neither able to suffice my needs. So that is when I went online, because I had heard that edtech industry is booming right now and there are a lot of startups that are looking to help their students in order to better prepare for these competitive examinations. And that was when I came across with EduGorilla. EduGorilla provided me a defense package in which there were many exams including CDS. Exams like CAPF and UP Police Sub-Inspector, etc. were already there, and the mock test for all of them was available there. The mock test quality was the first thing that I was very much concerned about. I was opting for both IMA and OTA. So the thing about Combined Defense Services examination is that there are 3 examinations in IMA, while there are 2 examinations in OTA if we do not include mathematics. I needed something to prepare for all these 3 papers that happen on the same day in the CDS exam. For mathematics, my strategy was simple. I already knew much of the formulas and the syllabus, and what I needed was questions, good quality questions that were relevant to CDS and that had a high probability of appearing in the examination itself. At the same time, I needed to improve my speed of calculation and of solving these questions. Since I had an academic background, I was not familiar with the way in which competitive examination questions should be approached. And that was when I started practicing EduGorilla's CDS mathematics mock test. And while practicing those mock tests, I saw that the way I had been attempting the questions up until this point were worthless, because the questions used to take about 5 to 7 minutes for me to solve one question, and that is why I do not use to solve a lot of questions by the time the timer ended in the mock test. So that's when I started to improve my speed, improve the way in which I used to attempt these questions, and that is when I was able to attempt about 70 questions out of 100 in the mathematics mock test. After that, there is English. So I had a pretty good English from the very beginning. So I thought that English wouldn't be that hard for me, but I was so wrong. When I appeared for CDS in the 2019 first one, that's when I saw that English requires much ado focus of its own. Questions like synonyms, antonyms, vocabulary, error finding, error detection and comprehension, etc. needed their own mock tests, and I needed to prepare with that. So I attempted English mock tests for CDS by EduGorilla as well. And in the beginning I used to struggle a lot, like in the rankings and the result, the national benchmarks that are shown in the mock test. I had I think about 70 to 100 positions. That's how bad I was. But by preparing well and by practicing through EduGorilla, I was able to come at the very top, at the first position of the leaderboard, and it's still there. My score is not beaten yet. After that, we have general knowledge, and general knowledge is a different beast altogether. General knowledge has so vast a syllabus that it can almost be compared to doing a PhD of its own. General knowledge contains subjects like history, polity, economics, biology, chemistry, mathematics, geography, and many more subjects, and not to mention current affairs that contains about 20 questions out of the 120 questions that come in the general knowledge exam. So that is why I not only needed mock tests for this for practice, but I also needed a portal through which I can practice current affairs. And let me tell you, current affairs are not something that one person can just get up one day, 5 days before the examination and say that I'll prepare the current affairs for the past 1 year. So that is why I needed daily news and current affairs daily, that is. And that's when I noticed that when I purchased the defense package in EduGorilla, it also provided me the opportunity to have daily news and current affairs that are designed by the expert staff at EduGorilla. I practiced with those daily news and current affairs, and when I attempted the next examination in 2019 too, in which I cleared the written test for IMA, I saw that a lot of questions, a lot of current affairs I had already seen in the EduGorilla portal. For example, a question was there for Greta Thunberg, like where is Greta Thunberg from, the environment activist. So I saw that previously in the EduGorilla's portal as daily news, and that is why I knew that Greta Thunberg belonged from Sweden. That is why I ticked that mark with Sweden. And that year, that attempt, I was able to clear the written test, and I went to Allahabad for my SSB interview. So therefore, CDS covers all the aspects of the IMA and the OTA as well, and therefore if someone opts for the defense package by EduGorilla, you can be pretty sure that you will be able to beat the exam. So on that note, I would like to thank EduGorilla for helping me beat the Combined Defense Services examination twice consecutively. And since I do not have my uniform right now, I can be pretty sure that with EduGorilla at my side, my uniform is not that far away from me. So thank you EduGorilla for being my guide to success.